Hi, I'm Dr. Phil Arnone. I wanted to share with you today a manuscript that I just had published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine, which is one of the most prestigious medical journals with an impact rating of 4.964. What is our article? Our article is examining the clinical opinion and experience of plain radiography of the spine, and it's an assessment of the chiropractic profession and how we use those in practice. Why is this important? Well, when you look at evidence-based practice, everybody talks about the three pillars. Well, one of those pillars is clinical opinion. But unfortunately, very rarely do we see the clinical opinion of chiropractors that are actually practicing. So what did we do? We collected surveys from 4,300 chiropractors and had them completed, and then created a manuscript that we now have published. So what was the process like? Well, the process was incredible. We first put together a group of authors that shared interest in this topic. And then we spent an entire year trying to develop a survey. What did we want from that survey? Well, we wanted a survey that could truly reflect what our profession thought, regardless of whether you agreed with or disagreed with utilization of radiographs in practice. And so we developed this survey so that it could adequately reflect how and why people use radiographs in chiropractic practice and what they think about those things. And then after we created the survey, we spent a year distributing the survey, and we collected 4,300 responses. And in our profession, 43 responses is significant, because when 4,300 chiropractors have something to say about any topic, that is evidence-based practice. Then we moved forward and employed a statistician to help us assess and audit the data so that we could really see, well, what does that data mean? And then we went through the burdensome task of writing the manuscript and applying to a journal that mostly only accepts medical doctors. And here we are, accepted by the Journal of Clinical Medicine. Not many chiropractors in that journal. What did we find? We found something incredible. We found that 91% of the respondents said that X-rays are valuable beyond just looking for pathology. We found that 86% said it's essential to biomechanical analysis. And we found 82% to say that radiographs are absolutely vital to chiropractic practice. Now, of course, there's always going to be limitations, because when we send a survey out that says, fill out a survey about radiographs, who is going to fill that out? Well, people that are interested in radiographs or have opinions one way or the other. So there's always going to be limitations when we do something like this. But the end result is we have the clinical opinion of the chiropractic profession, and it's valuable, and it's important for us to understand how to use procedures to help patients in the future. So I hope all of you will check out my manuscript. We'll send you the link so that you could audit that journal article and comment on it. Thank you very much. I'm Dr. Phil Arnone. I appreciate you watching my video.